The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable. We are excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design as well as a new Iron Flex display panel that should be more durable. You can also expect the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which should bring better performance and longer battery life, and all the same Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 series, plus hopefully some new ones. Here is all the Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors so far. That said, we might have a more robust foldable. Samsung appears to have trademarked the term Iron Flex, which refers to a foldable OLED display panel. What this means in practice remains to be seen, and it's possibly just a branding exercise, but making foldables less vulnerable to the bumps and dings of everyday life would certainly be welcome. It's tipped that the Z Fold 6 is in store for a major redesign, one that could change how it's held by adopting a squarish aspect ratio similar to the OnePlus Open with its inner screen. As a result, the narrow cover screen of past Z Folds will be stretched out a bit more. If that wasn't all, another leak suggests that the Z Fold 6 will be getting a bit of a design refresh. According to Ice Universe on Twitter or X, the phone will offer a wider design and more pointed edges closer to a true 90-degree angle. The outer display may also be increasing from 6.2 inches on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to 6.4 inches and getting wider as it does so.